Hello guys, today we are going to discuss about how to scan and print an HP printer. Follow the ongoing instruction and please don't skip the video. To scan and print using an HP printer, you'll typically follow these steps. 1. Prepare your document. Place the document you want to scan on the scanner glass or load it into the automatic document feeder, if available. 2. Turn on the printer. Make sure your HP printer is powered on and connected to your computer or network. 3. Install HP printer software. Ensure that you have the necessary drivers and software installed on your computer. You can usually find these on the HP website or on the installation CD that came with your printer. 4. Open the HP printer software. Depending on your operating system, you may need to open the HP Printer Assistant, HP Smart, or another HP scanning software installed on your computer. 5. Select Scan option. Look for the option to scan a document. This is usually labeled as Scan or represented by a scanner icon. Click on it to open the scanning interface. 6. Choose Scan settings. Select the appropriate settings for your scan, such as color mode, resolution, file format, etc. You may also have options for scanning to different destinations, such as your computer, email, or a USB drive. 7. Preview the scan. Optional, some scanning software allows you to preview the scanned document before saving or printing it. This can be helpful for making adjustments to the scan settings if necessary. 8. Scan the document. Once you're satisfied with the settings, initiate the scan process. Depending on your printer model and settings, you may need to press a button on the printer itself or click a scan button in the software. 9. Save the scan. Optional if you want to save the scan document to your computer or another location. Follow the prompts to specify the save location and file name. 10. Print the document. After the scan is complete, you can choose to print the scan document directly from the scanning software or open the saved file and print it from there. 11. Adjust print settings. Optional if needed. You can adjust the print settings such as paper size, orientation, quality, etc. before sending the document to the printer. 9. Print the document. Click on the Print button in the software to send the document to the printer for printing. Following these steps should allow you to successfully scan a document using your HP printer and then print it out. If you encounter any issues, refer to the user manual for your printer or the HP support website for troubleshooting assistance. Call 1-844-334-2929 now.